Hello everyone and welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to take a look at this multimeter from UNI-T, and this is from the UT33 series. This is a palm size portable meter with quite big LCD screen, and the model number that I've got is UT33D. I got this from flipkart.com for about 599 rupees, and this was about 6 months ago. I think the price has increased as now. So in the box you get the meter itself, which you can see is quite portable and easily fits in my hand. Around the meter they give you this rubber plastic covering, which not only makes the meter feel gives the meter a premium look, and also helps protect the meter if you happens to drop it. The dial is very clicky. It clicks into place and feels very good quality. The plastic with which the meter is built feels really good quality. It feels really sturdy in my hand. On the meter you have these two buttons. One is the light, which is quite bright, which will make it easier to use the meter in dark places. The other button is the hold button, which is not of much use to me. Anyways, on the meter you have these three holes. One is for the black lead, for the red lead, and one is for if you're measuring current more than 200, for measuring current more than 200 milliamperes. The other content of the meter is the black probes or the black testing lead. As you can see, the leads are quite sharp, which will make it easier to measure small components. They come with this handle, which is quite easy to use, and the wire length is about 1 meter, and the red wire is of the same quality and length. At the end they give you this protective covering, which is for no use at the moment. Also with this meter you get this manual, which was quite helpful because this is my first meter. I find this reading the manual was quite helpful, and it was very easy to follow. Now once you get the meter, the first thing you should do is connect the black lead. So go ahead and remove the plastic covering from the lead, and what you want to do is put this black into the common. That's one lead, and now I'm going to put the red one in the middle section, which says voltage, ohm symbol, milliamp, and this quickly line, and there we go. Now the meter is ready to use. Go ahead and turn the meter into the 20 volt setting, which you can see this is 20 volt DC. Now there are many ways you can use a multimeter, but usually in house setting, okay, let's say you have a lot of batteries inside your house and you don't know which ones are good and which ones are bad. So one of the ways you can test them is by putting all of them in things like torch, and test them using different combination, which will at the end will not give you proper reading. Or if you have a multimeter, you can simply use a multimeter by connecting the black to the back of the batteries and red on the front of the battery. So you can see it gives me 1.5 volt. So these batteries are good. Other things that you can do with a multimeter is test the polarity of a charger. Let's say you have a lot of chargers in your house and you don't know which wire is the positive and which is the negative, or also you want to know that whether this charger is a 5 volt charger or 12 volt charger. So what you can do is simply put the charger in a suitable outlet. Let's say I'll put the charger on, and now you can simply connect the two leads to the wire, and that tells me like this charger is about 5.63 volt, and since I have connected the wire correctly, that means the red is in fact the positive and the white is the negative wire. So this is that's how you can use a charger. Or let's say you have small circuit boards and you want to figure out whether this wire is intact or not. So what you will do, you can simply take the meter and bring this to this section which says continuity and this Wi-Fi kind of symbol. So continuity means that the circuit we are measuring is in fact connected. If the circuit is connected, you will hear a beep, and it is very instantaneous. There is no latency when you're doing that. So let's say you're having problem with this red wire and you don't know whether it is connected to the circuit board properly or not. You think this wire is broken somewhere in between, and there is no way of telling that other than doing a continuity test. So you basically put one lead on the wire and you put another lead on the connection. As you can see, we're getting the beep. That means the circuit is complete and the wire is all right. Well, that's about it about this meter. I hope you like this video, and hopefully you will be able to make better choice.